time, space, matter, energy, the four cornerstones of our universe, or so we thought. What if reality is made of vibrating strings? What if we live in an 11-dimensional multiverse? And what if, just maybe, everything we know is the shadow of something far more profound? Welcome to Pholosiphize. Today, we're diving into M-theory, the cutting edge of theoretical physics that dares to answer the question, what is the universe really made of? Let's start with the big divide. On one side, we have Einstein's theory of general relativity. It describes the cosmos, gravity, and the fabric of space-time. On the other side, quantum mechanics, the rulebook for the subatomic world, full of uncertainty, entanglement, and probability. The issue? These two giants don't play well together. When we try to use both at once, say near black holes or at the Big Bang, the math explodes. Literally, we need something to unify them, something deeper, something like M-theory, inter-string theory. The idea that the fundamental building blocks of the universe aren't particles, but tiny vibrating strings, like musical notes creating the symphony of reality. Different vibrations equals different particles. But here's the twist. There wasn't just one string theory. By the 1990s, there were 5 competing versions. Then, in 1995, physicist Edward Witten proposed something bold. What if they're all just pieces of a bigger puzzle? That puzzle is what he called M-theory. The M stands for many things: mother, mystery, membrane, or maybe just magic. M-theory says our universe may have 11 dimensions to 10 of space, 1 of time, and that, in addition to strings, there are branes, higher dimensional surfaces like cosmic sheets. Okay, so it's wild. But what does it mean? 1. Multiverse possibility. M-theory allows for countless parallel universes, each with different physical laws. 2. Universe as a brane. Our 3D universe might be a brane, floating in higher dimensional space, meaning other branes could be floating nearby, with their own realities. 3. Big Bang, brane collision. Some versions suggest the Big Bang wasn't a beginning, but a collision between branes in higher dimensional space. It's not just speculation. This could explain dark matter, solve the hierarchy problem, and even hint at a unifying theory of quantum gravity. So, is this the theory of everything we've been waiting for? Well, maybe, but not everyone's sold. Critics argue that M-theory isn't testable. We can't probe 11 dimensions or observe tiny strings directly. Some even say it's more philosophy than physics. A beautiful idea lacking experimental proof. Even supporters admit M-theory is still incomplete. It's like glimpsing the edge of a vast cosmic map, but the center remains blank. And now, the part we love the most here on Pholosiphize. What does this mean for us? If our universe is one of many, what makes ours special? If reality is a vibration, is consciousness part of that frequency? If dimensions beyond ours exist, could life or intelligence be waiting in the ones we can't perceive? And theory may not just rewrite physics. It could reshape our place in the cosmos. Maybe we're not at the center of everything. Maybe we're just one note in an eternal cosmic song. And theory might be the most ambitious theory ever conceived. A bridge between the known and the unknown. Is it the truth, the final answer, or just the next step on our journey? What do you think? Are we living on a cosmic membrane? Are there other universes brushing up against ours? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Like, subscribe, and as always, stay curious and don't be afraid to philosophize.